with you guys about we hire some guys to weed our backyard and front yard. So they did grass cutter. So they cut all the Bermuda grass that already tall. Weeds. Oh yeah, they pull all the weeds and they use our grass cutter. So the trimmer. Sorry. So last time guys, there's a lot of weeds here. So now it look like this, and they trim also all the Bermuda grass that tall. So the guys that doing this just left just a while ago. So I will show you how they do the trimmer. So this is the trimming guys. So they trim it. We do all our yards from this front. Oh my god, the wind is so strong. So they trim also here. And also here guys, they trim also because I know you see, I think for our video, how many times we did video, there's a lot of the Bermuda here is tall, so they do some trimming and also remove the weeds. It's already brown. You can see now guys the soil. So all the Bermuda grass that not exposed to sunlight, to the sun, they're becoming more growth taller. So they cut from there to here. So they do weeding. It's already brown. But it's still the Bermuda there. So, okay guys, we're going to harvest our calamansi. Shenrik is the one will harvest. So, because we just cleaned the yard today. This one first knock. I think this the one is ready. So you see guys, our calamansi is ready to harvest. So, yeah, like that. So Shenrik is harvesting now. You will harvest first all the one that big and ready. Yeah, that one. So it's so nice to have a calamansi. That one also. On the top also, Nakia. Oh, it's yellow, ah. And where? Not that one, other one, that one. Yeah, that one is ready. And I think this one also knock. I think this one is ready also. Yeah. Both of them are ready. So, they're big. Not that one. Still. Okay. So we get how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12. So we get 12 pieces guys, so no need to buy it on the market. I think that one is not yet ready right now. It's still hard. So, and also guys, we put some rice husk. So it seems that my lemongrass is happy, and also the pineapple, and I have here garlic and onions. And also guys, I want to show you that my nak, can you cut this pomegranate? So no, this one, can you cut this one and all the branches? So I'm going to cut, yeah, that one.
Or here?
Yeah, no, in the middle here maybe. So have already guys starting to bear fruits, 3 pieces.
Tanggalan ko to. Or dito.
Yeah, from here. So we need to pruning it.
Dito.
No need that one. Ah, okay. So Shendrik will do pruning. Also this one, and this one.
Where?
Yeah, that one. Yes. That one also, I think. And this one. So at least the nutrients will be staying. Because, Done. And also, guys, this is my lemon. That is my lime. Still nothing, any flowers. I think they're starting to have flowers, but it's too much raining. But it's end up. And also, this my orange. They stopped making flowers. It's rainy. And my avocado. Nak, they have like this. Where's that green? It's hiding. This one. What is this name?
Praying
Oh.
mantis.
Yeah, praying mantis.
Or a mantis.
Oh. It's hiding. Can you get it? There's only one. It's big. Oh, see? And also, this is our guava. So, I think typhoon, it's hit it. So, it's starting now. So, I will put it here.
Or ilagay mo ka nagkukuha
Okay.
ng caterpillar.
Okay, guys, that's it. And again, this is our mountains view. And also, guys, now, the rice field in front on our backyard is starting now to plant. So, that's the way they planting the rice.
Makain na.
It's in the guava. So, the planting season here, December. So, they planting now the rice. So, that's it, guys. Again, thank you for watching our YouTube. God bless you all. Oh, Shenrik left our calamansi here. And again, pomegranate. Thank you, guys. God bless.